This video is covering how to roll t-shirts for display at Syndicate camps. So this video is covering the regular t-shirts that have the Syndicate camps logo as the forefront of the design. This t-shirt is an adult small. So what you start out by doing is turning it face down on the ground, and then you'll fold in the corners and the sleeves just like you would normally, but you want to stop right here because you can already see the Syndicate logo. So you'll stop where you can just barely see the logo on the sides. And then you'll do that with the other side too. You don't want to fold too far past it, but you also don't want to leave a ton of space. So just right as you can see the logo on the side is when you stop folding in. Then you'll take from the top at the shoulders and fold down until the Syndicate camps part is at the very bottom of the fold. So it will look like this. Have the camps at the bottom of the fold. And then from there, you will pinch the shoulders and just pick it up so all this extra fabric just hangs down like that. You'll go back face down, pinch the shoulders again, and then roll inwards. And then you end up with a perfect roll like that with the Syndicate logo centered and then be evenly sized. So all adult smalls, if you follow this rule with the logo, will end up exactly the same size, which makes for really nice displays. This same rule works with other sizes. They will end up being different because the logo is different sizes. This shirt here is an adult 3X. So you do the exact same thing. You just lay it face down on the ground. You roll in the sides until you can just barely see the logo on either side. Make sure it's even all the way to the bottom. And then once that's in place, you're going to take from the top shoulders again and then fold down until the camps logo is right at the bottom. And I didn't fold that one in quite enough, so I'm going to unroll that, use a little bit more. Let me make sure all the fabric is inside, so I just had to fold the sleeve over a little bit because it went a little bit long. And then you fold from the shoulders back down to where the camps is at the bottom. Then once you have the camps at the very bottom like this, then you pinch from the shoulders and fold so that this fabric comes in. And then in some of the larger sizes, you have to be careful about resizing in the bottom and just folding in so that there's still not excess fabric on the side. You might have to fold up from the bottom a little bit, but then you'll solder the same thing. Once it's all fit inside of here, you'll grab the shoulders and roll down. So this is a thicker roll than the adult small because it's a larger shirt, but it rolls about the same size. It looks the same way. All adult 3X will be rolled to the same size if you follow the rules with putting the logos at the very end, and they'll all look exactly the same on display. This also works with things other than t-shirts. We have these Syndicate sweatshirts here. They're a little bit harder to roll, especially in the larger sizes since it's a thicker material, but you can still do it the same way. So you'll put it face down on the bottom, then fold the sleeves in just like before so that the logo is just barely on the outside. You'll fold the sleeve down. And fold that sleeve down too. Then same thing, next step is to pinch the shoulders and fold until the camps is at the bottom. Like that, camps is at the bottom over here. So then you'll take the shoulders and pinch and pull up so that the fabric rolls here. And then that sleeve came up a little bit, so you're just gonna fold it back down to where it's inside and hold it down while you grab the shoulders and roll the shirt inwards. And it doesn't roll all the way around, so these have to be a little bit more careful in display. They will get messed up a little bit more easily, but it does look the same as the other ones. It's a thicker roll because it's a sweatshirt, but you have the Syndicate on either side, so it rolls up really nicely. So this will be like that in your display. You'd have this shirt like that.
and the shirt like that. So they'd all be in different displays, obviously, because they're different sizes and different categories. This is how they would be lined up. You want, when people come up to your display, to see the C on the outside, so you'd read CentriKid coming in from the inside.